Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Sigma game on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Sigma game on your PC, open up your Microsoft Store. Once you end up in the home page, make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account as well. Now, go to the search box and type in Sigma game and perform your search. Soon after you find this application where it says Sigma Code Wars, give it a click. The Sigma Code Wars is a coding competition game where you can compete with your friends and other players to solve coding problems. Click on the Get button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the game downloads, and once it does, you'll be able to get access to it anytime you want. Once the download is completed, click on play to open up the game. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.